How to speed up Snapchat videos. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you speed up your Snapchat videos. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Snapchat on your device. So simply open this Snapchat. Alright, so now from here you'll have to take a Snapchat video whom you want to speed up. So right now I'm recording this. Alright, so after here to speed up your Snapchat video, you'll have to swipe right from here to add the effects on the video. So you have to swipe right. And now from here, you'll have to swipe right and go with the options like speed up. So here it is, and make sure that this icon will show when you are speeding up. So it's like look like a rabbit icon. So from here, you can speed up your videos. So like you can speed up into 3x or you can speed up to 2x. So it depends on your choice. So from here, you can easily speed up your Snapchat video. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.